Hello, welcome to Ellie Toys. It's crafting time today. And today I get to make some Pikmi Pop Bubble Drops, like make my own, not just have I can customize it. And I've got this squeeze ball maker thing, which I'm going to be able to make them with. Look, it says it's easy squeezy. Let's see about that. So 2 exclusive characters. There's a llamacorn and a pegasus. And it says we've got all the ingredients we need to make 3. So let's have a look at the actual maker. It looks like a gumball machine. That's really cute. So when I turn this little handle, that's shut at the moment. So when that little notch is at the top, that means that it's shut. So we want it to be, oh, the top comes off. We want it to be shut. Okay, Pikmi Pop's up here. We've got a whole heap of what looks like gumdrop balls, but they're not gumdrop balls. They've got little hidden secrets inside. Shall we open them yet? Yeah, let's open them. We'll look at all the stuff bit by bit. Let's see what we've got. So in this, we've got, there's a little charm, a little rainbow charm and some blue glitter. And in this blue gumdrop ball, we've got some pink glitter. Oh, it's pink and, oh, it's colourful. That's lovely. Okay, so a different surprise of glitter in each of these. We don't have charms in every ball though. This one's got pink and blue glitter. This is going to be really fun. Oh, I wonder what colours I can make my own bubble drops. Okay, and we've got purple glitter in this one. No more charms though. Do we only get 1 charm? That seems unlikely. Let's see what else we've got in this pink one. Oh, here we go. We've got another charm. We've got a shooting star, an orange shooting star. They're all rubbery. Actually, that's probably sensible because we're going to be putting them in like this liquidy thing. We've got some silver glitter in this one. And in the pink one, the last one, oh, we've got orange and pink. Okay, all right, so we've got lots and lots of choices there so we can customize our own little Pikmi Pop Bubble Drop. That's a bit of a tongue twister. Okay, gumdrops are all put away. So we've got all of our sparkles ready. Oh, and here's the poor little empty Pegasus. Oh, he's just so flat and sad. Forlorn looking, look. So we can stuff him with the squishy ball. Fill him full of sparkly gloobliness. Let's do that. But hold on, there's another character. So the llamacorn as well. Currently just an empty skin. Looking so sad for me. Okay, we will fill you. We'll fill you. Wow. Okay. Oh, look. Here is his... There are actually 3 balls. So here's one of the balls. Big squishy balls. This is where all the magic's going to happen. So let me cut this open, but careful not to cut the actual ball because that would be a catastrophe. Though there are 3, so I do have an opportunity to make a catastrophe out of 1, but I don't want to. Don't want to make any mistakes today. So our Pikmi Pop squeezy ball is currently empty. All right, it's a bit sticky too. I suppose it's supposed to be sticky. And we've got the hard bit up that end. We've got Pikmi Pop sign on this side, and it is sticky. It actually picks the glitter up off the table really well. And I wonder what's in this little foil container. Let's find out. So there's something hard in there. I want to make sure I don't cut this either while I'm cutting it open. Ooh, it looks like we've got some mints. No, they're not mints. Okay, so these are definitely not mints. You should not eat them. They're actually water saver things. And this is that's a key. Is that a key? That's a key. All right. So let's get started putting this Pikmi Pop Bubble Drop into the sad little empty things. We use the key to open. I'll have to hold securely up the top here to open this up. This is going to mean we can actually put things in, and then when it's full of water and glittery goodness, we can actually seal it up again nice and firmly and securely. So these are, well, these actually stop the water from going bad inside. So you must make sure you put one of them in there. Otherwise the water's going to go really, really revolting and be not good. So let's choose a charm to put in here now. So maybe the rainbow. This one's going to be for the Pegasus, so that's a good one for the Pegasus. And now we have to slide this in. I can see where all the notches are. That's perfect. So slide it all the way to the back. It's clicked in. So sticky. And that's okay. So when we turn, oh look, they line up. I don't know if you can see that properly, but the little holes are lined up. So we've got everything ready to go. And up here, we have to fill this with all of the stuff that's going to go into the ball. So let me see, what shall we do? So we've made sure that this is shut because the little notch is upwards for shut. And this is the line that we need to fill it to for the water fill line. We don't want to overfill it or it's going to be a bit of a disaster. So let's see, do I put in the glitter first or do I put in the water first? Let's choose some glitter. Which one shall we use? Let's see. Actually, you know what? I want to put like all the glitter in, but maybe for the first one, we'll just be sensible. Put 1 glitter bag in, just 1. So we'll put this pretty pink one in, I think. the pretty pink for the Pegasus. I think that's perfect. So let's snip it open and put it in the top of our bubble drop maker machine. So glittery, so sparkly. Oh, it just doesn't seem like enough glitter. That's okay, we'll stick to what we're going to do. So some pretty glitter in here. Now we just need to fill the water up to the line. Carefully. And there. A little bit more. There we go. All right. Okay, so that kind of just looks like all that. There's some big lumps of glitter down the bottom. Are they going to actually go in? Maybe I should stir it. Oh no! It's all sticking to my fingers! Okay, stirring it with my fingers was probably not my best decision, but now my fingers are really sparkly. Hopefully there's enough glitter left here for the actual ball. Let's put this into the ball, shall we? Let's open up our handle, turning it around. And, oh wow, okay, that's filling up really fast. Oh, look at that! We've just filled up our first Pikmi Pop custom-made bubble drop. Oh, it's so pretty. There's not enough glitter in there, though. There really isn't enough glitter. Oh, well, we'll do lots of glitter for the next one. So let's close the hatch. And, oh, probably shouldn't have squeezed the bubble ball yet because it's still... Okay. All right, I'm just trying to get a little bit more water in there now. So obviously... okay, I've made a bit of a mistake there. So squeezing the bubble drop ball before you've actually sealed off is a bad idea, but now we can seal it off. There's still enough water in there. Which way does this plug go? I think it goes this way. So I can finger turn this in far enough, I think, and then I will use the key to make sure it's really secure, because we don't want this leaking anywhere. Because it's going to be squeezed. It's going to be so squeezy. So we'll pull it out and let's then check out our new little bubble ball. So you can still see that water purifier-y thing in there. It's busy dissolving, but it'll dissolve soon enough, and you won't see it at all after it's completely dissolved. I think it's pretty with the glitter in it and the little rainbow token. And we can bubble about as much as we like. Oh, that's so cool. All right, now I think the real test is going to be whether I can actually stuff it into this Pegasus, the Pegasus skin. All right, so we're supposed to get this hard bit, so the actual part that we filled it with, the hard bit, up the top, which makes sense because you don't want to be trying to push that hard bit out through the little mouth hole. This is like trying to shove a cat into a sack. This is really... Actually, I've never tried to shove a cat into a sack. It's really tricky. Bits keep coming out again. I will persevere. We'll get it in there. It's actually really funny. I'll push that hard bit up the top a bit further. Everybody needs to get in there. Everyone in there. All the bits. Oh, I think we're almost there. I think I'll see if I can get this to fit. It's like trying to put on your favorite pair of jeans. It's not fitting. We'll make it fit. There we go! Oh, so cute! Okay, you ready? Let's bubble pop this baby! Oh, that's so gorgeous! We've just made our very own custom Pikmi Pop Bubble Drop! That's hilarious. Okay, I think I could do this all day. That's so adorable and slightly wrong and disgusting, but it's so cute. It's like he's dancing and then blowing bubbles at you. But we're not finished yet because we've got to fill up our llamacorn, because the llamacorn's sad because the Pegasus has got his own bubble drop and the llamacorn is still flat. So let's make a custom one up for the cute little llamacorn, and this time we might go a bit harder on the glitter. So let's get another ball. Let's follow the same procedure that we did the time before. And we did pretty well last time. It's pretty successful. So let's put our little shooting star token in this one. You know what? I might try something. I might try putting, because a whole heap of that glitter just stayed up there in the actual water thing. So I wonder if I can just kind of shove the glitter straight into the ball. Let's do it with just one pack, and then we'll put the other pack into the water. So we put our water purifier little tablet in first, and then I mean, there's a big enough opening on the top that I reckon I can carefully pour that in there. Look, there we go. Now I got all of that glitter in. No glitter was wasted in the making of this of this bubble drop. Let's insert this though, and we'll put the silver in the conventional way, the way the instructions say. So we'll fill up with water first this time. There's still so much glitter sitting up here in the top. So we have filled to the fill line, and now we get to put in our silver, our silver glitter. And we'll see how much of this actually makes its way into our bubble drop. Open up the handle. Oh wow, that goes so fast. It's over in an instant. Just encourage some more of this glitter to go down because there's a lot still sitting up the top. We'll shut that off. And this time I'm not squeezing the ball before I've actually put the plug back in. See, I learn from my mistakes. And we'll do it nice and key tight. Lovely. Now we can take it off and then we can squish it as much as we like. Well, actually, it seems like that glitter might have stuck when we put it in before the water went on. But that looks pretty. It looks really pretty on the wall of the little ball. That's so goopy and pretty. It's like it's iridescent. Oh, that's cool. That's much better. I like it with 2 sachets of glitter. That's so much more impressive. Oh, that's pretty. All right, so let's see if we can get this into the llama corn. We'll speed this up, otherwise it's going to take forever. There we go. It's all shoved in. Oh, hold on. We got the hard bit in the wrong spot. If I just shove that closer to the top, and we'll just poke it around at the back here. There we go. Oh, that looks gorgeous. That looks so pretty. So now we've got our cute little llama corn vomiting his guts up at us. That's a bit disturbing, isn't it? Because we're squeezing the little animals and it's like their insides are coming out. Oh, and they're sticky, so they stick together. Oh, this is really cute. And definitely fun that I can have all day if I just get over the fact that it's a little bit disturbing. And there is a third ball, so I can have all this fun all over again with one more ball. That's really cool. All right, so we've gone from our empty, flat, sad little Pikmi Pops to filled up little Pikmi Pops with a customized bubble drop inside them. This is really fun. I could do this all day. It'd be really annoying for everyone else, but I would be having so much fun. And is that all that really matters? I think that's probably all that really matters. Now make sure you remember to subscribe, leave me a comment down below the video, and I will be back with a new video very soon. That's if I can drag myself away from squeezing those little squeezies. I'll see you then. Bye.